Hi, welcome to my dad's garage. This is a little project Dad has been working on for the past few weeks on getting the garage ready for installing a lift. So Dad has been wanting to put a lift in here for a while, and it's going to be a really useful tool for all of our projects, including my own. So there's a new lift going in. So far we have modified the ceiling. We have moved the ceiling joist higher to get us to have plenty of room, and it's been well tied up. And the biggest job here is has been digging out the floor. So Dad has the floor dug out to create a foundation. So basically what's going on, we thought that, well, first of all, the floor wouldn't really be strong enough, as it's, I think it needs about 4 inches of concrete before bolting the lift down to it. So there's a slab going to be poured here of 32 Newton concrete with a fiberglass filler into it to get a bit more strength, a bit of reinforcement. So the concrete lorry is due in the next 15-20 minutes. So concrete lorry comes, we get the concrete down, we get it all leveled, scraped and leveled and finished, and let it cure for a few weeks, and then hopefully the new lift will be coming very shortly. So this will be a sort of a time-lapse type video, and this is going to be over a period of time while the project is going until it's finished and the new lift is installed. So we'll stick it up on the tripod and into a bit of a time lapse of the concrete arriving.
Three weeks later.
So there you go, there is our new two-poster. It is now fitted and fully operational. It's already been used 2 or 3 times for servicing cars, and it has been a really great addition to the garage. So yeah, very pleased with it. As you can see then as well, Dad has done a little bit of tidying up in here. There was an old, just here where the Jaguar flag is, there was an old unit there. That's now been pulled out. Walls are now painted, and just a general tidy up in here as well. So it's a great space now for doing work. So yeah, having this lift here is going to be fantastic. So we've so many jobs that we want to get done on the Traveller and our other projects. So this is going to really make life so much easier. So yeah, I know this has been a very short video, and you'll see the lift in future videos as we go along with different projects. So again, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the very next episode.